guys, let's do our tutorial how to put thumbnails of your upload video. Okay, so after you uploaded your video on your YouTube channel using your mobile phone, and then just set it on private or unlisted. After successful uploaded, go to your Chrome using your mobile phone. Go to your Chrome and go to your channel. But before we proceed to our tutorial, for today, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe Unlisted TV and hit notification bell all so that you will be notified for my future uploads and updates. Okay, alright, so now let's proceed. So our main topic for today, our tutorial for today, is how to put thumbnails on your upload videos. Okay, so now I have here a new uploaded videos which is a premiere, and then I am going to put thumbnails. Okay, just click edit, click here edit. Okay, so here, so if you are not finished putting some captions, you can also finish everything. So here I have already, it's already finished. So now let's put thumbnails. Okay, as you can see here, I don't have yet a thumbnails, so just click on this box thumbnails, and then just click on it. So I have it here. No, I need to browse. So okay, so now as you see, I have already a thumbnails. Okay, so okay, and here check also the audience. It is this video made for kids, so you must be checked also. So no, it's not made for kids, and the age restrictions is no, don't want to restrict my video over 18 bit. Okay, so I have already finished. So now I have already thumbnails. So okay, so let's go to save. No. Let's go to save. Okay. Just scroll up, and then scroll left side, scroll up, and then scroll left side. Okay, scroll up, scroll left side. Okay, so now you see my thumbnails in my video. Okay, so just click save. So okay, so we go to the YouTube dashboard. Let's check it. So now you can see my video. My premiere video has already a thumbnails. Okay, so that's all guys, how to put a thumbnail on your upload videos. So very easy. You just make thumbnails, you just edit the thumbnails, and then you put there, you can go to directly your Chrome, go to your channel dashboard, and then go to videos. Then after edit, click edit on it, and then choose the thumbnails, and then after save. So that's it. Finish. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope that you will learn how to put thumbnails on your upload video using your mobile phone. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe and Vlog TV and hit notification bell all so that you will be notified for my future uploads and updates. So thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.